Chevrolet has long been a staple in the American automotive landscape, offering a range of vehicles that cater to various needs and preferences. However, like any manufacturer, Chevrolet has had its share of engine problems that can impact vehicle performance and longevity. Knowing these issues is essential for current and prospective Chevy owners who want to avoid costly repairs and maintain their vehicles in optimal condition. Today we will count down the top 10 worst engine problems associated with Chevrolet vehicles and provide you with practical tips on how to avoid these issues. Whether you own a Chevy or are considering buying one, this guide will help you navigate the potential pitfalls. 10. Oil consumption issues, particularly prevalent in models like the Chevrolet Cruze and some versions of the Equinox. Many owners have reported excessive oil consumption, leading to the need for frequent oil top-ups between changes. This problem can stem from worn piston rings, faulty valve seals, or even a flawed design in the engine itself. If left unaddressed, excessive oil consumption can lead to serious engine damage, including engine knocking or failure due to lack of lubrication. To avoid this issue, regularly check your oil levels, especially if your vehicle is approaching a high mileage threshold. Keeping track of your oil consumption can help you identify any irregularities early. If you notice your engine is consuming more oil than usual, it's crucial to consult a mechanic for a thorough inspection. Additionally, using high-quality synthetic oil can help reduce consumption and prolong engine life. 9. Timing chain problems, particularly in Chevrolet models with the 3.6-liter V6 engines such as the Chevrolet Camaro and Traverse. Timing chains are essential for synchronizing the engine's camshaft and crankshaft. Issues can arise from improper tension, which can lead to premature wear or even catastrophic engine failure if the chain breaks. To avoid timing chain issues, maintain regular oil changes, as clean oil helps keep the chain lubricated. If you hear a rattling noise coming from the engine or notice any performance issues, have your timing chain inspected immediately to prevent severe damage. Regular maintenance checks can help identify potential problems before they escalate. 8. We have engine overheating, a problem that can affect any vehicle but has been reported frequently in certain Chevy models, particularly those equipped with the 5.3-liter V8 engine. Overheating can stem from a variety of issues, including a faulty thermostat, a malfunctioning water pump, or leaks in the cooling system. If left unchecked, overheating can lead to warped cylinder heads, blown gaskets, and other severe engine damage. To avoid overheating, ensure your cooling system is functioning properly by regularly checking the coolant level and inspecting hoses for leaks. It's also essential to pay attention to your temperature gauge. If it rises above normal, pull over immediately and let the engine cool down. A proactive approach to cooling system maintenance can prevent costly repairs down the line. 7. Fuel system issues, which can affect the performance of your Chevy engine. Problems can arise from clogged fuel injectors, a failing fuel pump, or issues with the fuel pressure regulator. These problems can lead to poor acceleration, decreased fuel efficiency, and in severe cases, engine stalling. To avoid fuel system problems, use high-quality fuel and consider using a fuel injector cleaner periodically. Keeping your fuel system clean and well-maintained can help prevent clogs and ensure optimal performance. If you notice any unusual symptoms like rough idling or poor fuel economy, it's advisable to have your fuel system inspected by a professional. 6. We have spark plug and ignition coil problems. In many Chevrolet models, particularly older ones, faulty spark plugs or ignition coils can lead to misfires, reduced power, and poor fuel efficiency. Symptoms include rough idling, difficulty starting, or a noticeable decrease in performance. To avoid these issues, follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for replacing spark plugs and ignition coils. Regular inspections can help catch worn or faulty components early, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Additionally, using high-quality spark plugs can make a significant difference in performance and longevity. 5. Transmission problems have been reported in several Chevrolet models, including the Malibu and Silverado. Issues can range from slipping gears to delayed engagement, which can significantly impact your driving experience. Problems can arise from low transmission fluid levels, faulty solenoids, or internal wear. To avoid transmission issues, regularly check your transmission fluid level and change the fluid according to the manufacturer's recommendations. If you experience any signs of transmission trouble, such as strange noises or difficulty shifting gears, have it inspected immediately. Taking a proactive approach to transmission maintenance can help you avoid costly repairs down the line. 4. We highlight head gasket failures, which can lead to serious engine problems. This issue has been commonly reported in several Chevrolet engines, particularly in older models. A blown head gasket can cause coolant leaks, engine overheating, and a loss of engine compression, leading to significant damage. To avoid head gasket failures, keep an eye on your engine's temperature and ensure that the cooling system is in good condition. Regular maintenance, including coolant changes and inspections, can help prevent overheating and reduce the risk of head gasket failure. If you notice signs of a blown head gasket, such as white smoke from the exhaust or milky oil, address the issue immediately to avoid catastrophic engine damage. 3. Oil leaks, a common problem that can affect the longevity of your engine. Chevrolet models have been known to experience leaks from various components, including the oil pan valve cover gaskets and rear main seals. Oil leaks not only lead to lower oil levels, but can also result in poor engine performance and damage if left unchecked. To avoid oil leaks, regularly inspect your engine for any signs of oil accumulation or dripping. Keeping up with routine oil changes can also help catch potential leaks before they become significant problems. If you discover any leaks, consult a mechanic promptly to address the issue and prevent further damage. 2. Engine knock and pinging can be particularly concerning issues that affect the performance of Chevrolet engines. This problem can stem from low-quality fuel, incorrect timing, or excessive carbon buildup. Knocking and pinging can lead to reduced engine performance and over time can cause serious damage if not addressed. To avoid engine knock and pinging, always use high-quality fuel that meets the manufacturer's specifications. Additionally, maintaining regular engine cleanings and inspections can help prevent carbon buildup. If you hear knocking or pinging noises from your engine, it's crucial to have it diagnosed as soon as possible to avoid severe damage. 1. General maintenance neglect, which is arguably the most significant issue affecting Chevrolet engines. Many engine problems stem from a lack of routine maintenance, such as oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid checks. Neglecting these essential services can lead to a host of problems, including reduced performance, premature wear, and even complete engine failure. And to avoid the pitfalls of maintenance neglect, adhere to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Regularly checking your oil level, coolant, and other fluids, along with timely servicing, can go a long way in extending the life of your Chevrolet engine. Being proactive about maintenance ensures that your vehicle runs smoothly and can help you avoid the headaches and costs associated with major engine repairs. The issues discussed above highlight some of the common engine problems that can affect Chevrolet vehicles, but they also serve as a reminder of the importance of regular maintenance and proactive care. The key to a long-lasting vehicle is staying on top of maintenance tasks, addressing issues promptly, and being aware of the specific needs of your model. By understanding these potential problems and how to avoid them, you can enjoy your Chevrolet for years to come without the burden of unexpected repairs. Whether you're a long-time Chevrolet owner or considering your first purchase, this knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your vehicle's care. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on vehicle maintenance and automotive news. We appreciate your support, and it allows us to continue bringing you valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.